The storm is strong today.
The house will hold.
Let's prepare dinner early. The rain is getting heavier.
We'll stay inside and cook together. I'll keep an eye on the house.
Let's light the fire now.
I'll stay close.
That thunder was close.
The fire is steady. We'll keep going.
I'm here.
This gust is strong.
The fire is holding.
It's passing.
Keep the door steady. The wind is calmer now.
Good. We can continue. Take your time.
I'll start with the vegetables.
I'll keep the fire even.
Careful. I am. The vegetables are clean now.
Good.
The fire is even.
Thank you.
The water is just right.
Keep it gentle.
Not boiling yet. I know. That's enough. Lowering the fire. Let it rest. Just a moment. Hold it steady.
I've got it.
It's clear.
Good.
I'll dissolve it gently.
Keep the heat low. That's good.
Just like this. Let it settle. Just a little longer.
It smells good. All right.
Please sit properly.
Everything's ready.
Okay. Please eat.
Thank you.
It smells nice.
It's warm.
It's warm.
Yes. It's good.
It's good. Eat slowly. I'm full. Me too.
Thank you for dinner.
Be careful, it's hot.
Take your time.
It smells nice. Yes.
Let's get ready for bed.
All right.
I'm sleepy.
Me too. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.